Okay, here we are again, revisiting the chair, because now I flipped it over, and today, before it got too hot, we were supposed to be really hot today, I even did the bottom. Notice the paint. The paint is actually the real color of the entire chair where it's supposed to be. And so yeah, I don't know, I guess it's going to be okay. Put another coat on everything, so it's starting to look good. I wish it looked as good as my getting parts for this computer I'm going to build. I'm going to show you that one. And like I said, I don't know about the computer. I did get this new case, and this is a bigger case than anything I have. And then, of course, it has all the wiring inside. I have no idea how to open this thing up. I started unscrewing these in the back, and nope, they don't come out, nothing comes off. And I checked, this thing is riveted on. And there's no way of getting at it from the sides. Looks like the bottom is sealed. There's no way to get into it on that. So I don't know. If anybody knows how to get into one of these things, let me know. I have no idea how to get into it. And all the wiring and stuff is in there. I screwed up already once. This motherboard came yesterday, and after trying to go ahead and fit on my memory in here, there's no way it would work. These slots are all the wrong size. This does have a 3.2 gigahertz processor, but it's older than I want to use. And if none of my stuff works in it, then forget it. I'm not going to use it. So that's out. Now the graphics card I got ahead of time. It's a Chinese knockoff I got from a guy in Hong Kong, actually. It's in it. It comes with 4 gigs of onboard memory, and it came with the connectors. That's what it looks like. And then I was looking at another video. These things have been known to be copied in China, and some don't even work the way they're supposed to. Although because that sort of brought up another red flag to me, because I opened this box up, it just had just like I showed you, it just had the plastic bag it was in, and not even a driver disc for it. So anyhow, I called the guy I got it from, and he was all apologetic and everything, and so he gave me the link for the driver for this. So I'm hoping this is not a knockoff. It was cheap. It was $62. Normally these things would go somewhere near 100, if not 150. So, you know, it's a good deal if it works. I don't know. So as of right now, I am on eBay. I have a bid. If I can see that. Anyhow, there's the. Let's see if I can bring it in some. Okay. Anyhow, that's the one I'm bidding on right now. It should fit in this case fine. I've already talked to the guy. He says yes, he had used to have a GeoForce card kind of like mine, and it fit fine. So he said he sees no reason why it won't fit. So, but I'm still bidding on it, so that means I'm not going to get started on this project for a while. Oh, jeez. So, of course, Chubby is not impressed. Duke isn't impressed. I'm not either. So, anyhow, those are the first pitfalls of trying to put together a computer for gaming or multi-purpose use. So I really don't know. Like I said, I've never built a computer since '91 is the last time, and it was a lot simpler. The boards were a lot smaller. It was a lot easier to get together. Right now I have a more than big enough power supply coming for this case. It's a either 600 or 650 watt power supply. They say even with this card here, a 450 watt card or power supply should be good enough for the card. Well, I went overkill. I've got an even bigger power supply coming. So anyhow, that's how it stands right now. I can't do anything. I'm pretty much stuck until I get the motherboard and the power supply, which still hasn't come in. And they're saying even if I win this auction online, it probably won't be to me till like anywhere from the 13th to the 16th. So anyhow, this is going to be a sort of an in-between video before I even get started on this computer. Why I did this, I have no idea. I was going to try to build a computer for $300 or less, and so far it's looking like it's going to be more like about $400 altogether. Assuming I can get rid of my other motherboard, which I didn't pay that much for. But anyway, there you are. That's it. It's the way it is. We will continue along and see what happens. What we Chubby? What do you say? Anything? No? Wag, 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 wag. Okay. Bye. Okay, another add-on. Figured out how to get this off. My daughter came all over and she said, "Oh, Dad, just take the nuts off. Let's unscrew these nuts." And, I don't know if I'm getting that in. Okay. He said, "Get the nuts off and then you pry these things off. There's a little pry spot right there." So I did. So sure enough, both sides come off. So I'm a dummy when this stuff comes to this stuff. So, and she's pretty computer savvy anyway. But she's never built one, but she knows about them anyway. So anyhow, that's an add-on on this video to show you. Somebody else had to show me how to open this thing up. So that will come off, and that'll come off, and then I can go ahead and put all my stuff in. So anyhow, that'll be it now. Bye.